The way that we're going to enhance competitiveness is through innovation. And the way we're going to accelerate innovation and therefore competitiveness in our nation and on the global stage is by liberating the future workforce. I'm a big fan of rehearsing the future through the use of advanced simulation, team-based training, taking young women and young men who are in our educational system or who are entering in their career and juxtaposing them, putting them into the context of others who have large business experience or maybe have nonprofit experience, etc., and letting them work side by side. It's a form of experiential learning, but it's an investment that will open their eyes as to how to get things done. You know, the world is full of brilliant people who can see the future, but the ability to deliver on that, the ability to turn these great ideas into reality, that takes a whole different dimension of experience, and that is the secret, I believe. The public-private partnerships that have occurred with not-for-profit organizations, philanthropy, with the public sector, with large businesses, etc., have really been where innovation and competitiveness have come from. The development of the COVID vaccines, the monoclonal antibodies, the tests represent a critically important element that I think the entire innovation sector and competitiveness sector of our nation, and the world for that matter, need to recognize. What accelerated that, of course, was the urgency, the hospitalizations, the pain, the suffering, the death, the economic impact of all of that. But what also accelerated it was de-risking the process. That is to say, the research laboratories, the large pharmaceutical companies, and others worked together in a way that they knew that even if they failed, they would probably bring something meaningful forward that others could use to move the science and change the science into a reality. And what we need to do now as a nation is to use that to accelerate innovation more broadly.